Understanding the type code for the MHD synchronous motor. The MHD071A-061-NG0-UN. MHD denotes the product type as a synchronous motor. 071 denotes a motor size of 071. It has a centering diameter of 95 mm and a flange size of 115 mm. A denotes a motor length of A. It has a continuous standstill torque of 3.5 Nm. 061 means the winding code for the motor is 061. N denotes the motor has digital servo feedback with relative position detection. G denotes the shaft is plain and has a shaft seal. 0 indicates there is not a holding brake present. U denotes the presence of power and feedback connectors. The connectors move on a turntable with a range of 270 degrees. N means the motor has liquid cooling. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all MHD repair and refurbishments.